Hello? Pwede po ba ako makakuha?
Good afternoon,
Good afternoon,
ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon po.
Good afternoon po.
Afternoon, ma'am.
Po, pwede po ba ako makakuha ng emoticon na smiling face para makita ko ang aking po mga masisipag na validators ay palaging active po? Ayan, so meron po akong nakikitang nag-smiling face. Thank you so much po for that smiling face, no? And hoping na ang orientation po natin next year is face-to-face na para at least mas maganda po tayo. Okay, wala na po akong sasabihin. So we proceed to the checklist po ng special awards in relation to the special recognition awards, both individual and group. Po sa ating slide, ito po yung gagamitin po natin for this year at ang assessment period po natin is next year, last year, no? So alam naman po natin the name of nominees, specific address, affiliation, and recommending agency or institution. Very important po dito, we will proceed na po sa ating pong criteria. Pakitaas lang po. Thank you so much for the Secretariat. Very important po yung criteria po natin. First criteria is the presence of disaster risk reduction management related recognitions. This is both awards or commendation in the last 5 years, which has not been recognized by the NDRRMC. But very important po, sir, ma'am, they need to provide evidences, no? Keyword natin dyan is yung last 5 years, which has not been recognized by the NDRRMC. When it comes to the indicator po on this criteria, must be an awardee at NL, global, international, local, and regional. The means of verification po for this criteria, as shown po sa ating slide, the ating pong nominee po will get 30 points pag meron po siyang ipinakita na evidence po or isang pagpapatunay na meron pong presence of global, international awards or commendation. But if in case di po nila mamito, meron tayo mga succeeding means of verification, 26 points. More on the presence of national level awards and commendation. And for 22 points, presence of regional awards or commendation. Points, presence of provincial awards or commendation. 14 points, presence of municipal/city level awards or commendation. And 10 points is the presence of the one award or commendation from community level, private or organization. So ang perfect score po dito is 30 points, but hindi naman po ito 30 and 0 na grade. Meron pa po mga corresponding points in line doon po sa mapapakita pong mode of verification. Number 2 criteria po natin is specific contributions that had major outcome, impact to communities in building climate and disaster resilience, including new innovations and technologies, strategies, ways of thinking, capacities, and capabilities. No? Ang ating pong indicators po dito, we are having a 2.1. Exceptional contributions are initiative that exemplify ways of thinking, strategies, and innovation. Ito po ay meron pong corresponding na 10 points. So ang ating pong means of verification is any of the following: policy, publication, technology project, or advocacy. Next po natin indicator is the 2.2. If it is mandated by the nominee's service to the actual discharge of his, her, their accomplishment, hence, the nominee must highlight his, her, their contribution to the DRRM. Meron po dito, no? Notion po dito. However, If the nominee service or involvement is not as mandated, then the nominee can simply emphasize exceptional DRM contribution. Determine ways to measure the impact, innovation, and its sustainability. So very important po dito, ang note po natin, data and documentation of impact during the assessment year, that is 2024. Meron din po ditong specific na note po at the regional level, the RSC and OCD may award the special recognition to qualified nominees. Moreover, if the individual or group is endorsed to the national level. Okay? And also, the nominee must complete the, pakyat po tayo, sir, ma'am, must complete the documentation such as but not limited to the RDRMC Council resolution signed by the 4 vice chair. So, meron pong ganun mga legend po dito or note for the validators. And for the means of verification po natin, there is a corresponding points po dito. So, the nominee or the nominees will receive 40 points pag meron po silang contributed to the 4 DRM pillars, 36 points contributed to at least 3 DRM pillars, 32 points contributed to at least 1 DRM pillars, and 24 points has a limited documented contribution in DRM with variable impact. So, meron po siya mga corresponding points po. Hindi po siya 40 or 0 para at least ma-meet po ng ating nominee yung passing score of 80 points. When it comes to the endorsement from the community, no, ito ay categorized po siya. Meron po siyang any endorsement letter or manifest from relevant stakeholders, 10 points, at least 2 endorsement letters from relevant stakeholders. For the endorsement from the organization or any credible persons, nilagay na lang po namin dito na, for example, community beneficiary, government, institution highlighting the impact, innovation, and sustainability of the contribution of the individual and group. Relevant stakeholders are recipient, beneficiary, or of any of the individuals or group. So, i-correct ko lang po dito ha. If there is at least 2 endorsement, 10 points po yon. But 1 endorsement lang po, it is score po niya is 5. So, nagkaroon lang po ng type po dito sa ating pong scoring po for this criteria and the means of verification. And lastly, in order to achieve the 100 points po for this special recognition, meron din po ditong evaluator's impression. So very important means of verification is the evaluator's personal impression based on the desk evaluation and online interview combined, including the quality of the document. Hindi lang po siya basta-basta endorsement or evaluation, but there is a series of information relatively dun po sa significant po ng isa pong individual or organization or group of individuals regarding this special recognition. So ang ating pong points po dito is 10 points. A total of the checklist po natin or criteria is a total of 100 points. So pa-up lang po tayo. Meron po dito yung ibig sabihin po natin, up lang po, okay. So, nandiyan po yung ating overall adjectival rating and its percentage. So, ang passing score po natin, 80 points. So, pero if that individual or group ay makuha yung very good score or excellent, pwede naman po natin ilagay doon, no? Pero hindi naman tayo naman po ay magiging objective talaga based doon sa means of verification na ipipresent po sa atin, no? Or ipo-provide sa atin. So, Very important din po, you put your full name, your position, your agencies representing your agency, your signature and date para at least kami po on the part of National GK Secretariat makita po namin kung sino po yung nag-validate po ng set document po when it comes to special recognition. But this checklist po is both sa individual and group po na special recognition. So, yun lamang po ang maaari kong ibahagi po sa inyo, Sir Ma'am, in line with this special awards na special recognition. So with that, thank you so much po. And okay, back to you, Secretariat, Miss Eli.
Thank you very much, Miss Shireen El Hombre Bueno. So, like to extend our deepest thanks to all our speakers and attendees for your continued support and active involvement in this orientation. As we move forward to day 3, tomorrow,